Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I wanted to show you a tutorial on clean girl or clean look. So I have been watching all these videos on clean girl on YouTube. So this is my version. So I think this makeup look is all about keeping your makeup polished and sleek. In short, enhancing your features. This is not your basic no makeup look because it's a full coverage base and you can barely see any problems or any acne on your face. So this makeup basically makes your face as if you have a perfect skin, which we usually don't have. So in this look, your hair also plays an important role. Your hair has to be sleek and perfect. So let's start with our hairs. I'm making a sleek ponytail. Now I'm using the Tarte 5 Hole Hairspray for my baby hairs. So after completing the hairs, we are going to start with the skincare because skincare plays an important role in this look. So now I'm using the Good Vibes toner. In this look, your skin should be properly hydrated because we are going to use a lot of products on our face today. Then I'm using the face serum from Minimalist. It's an exfoliating and hydrating skin serum. It has 10% of lactic acid and 1% of hyaluronic acid. Then I'm using the moisturizing lotion from Cetaphil. Then I'm using the sunscreen from Neutrogena. So my skin is already quite prepared here, but to make it extra glowy, I am going to use the vitamin E capsule. This small product can do wonders on your skin. But so vitamin E can be used for your dry skin, for wrinkles, for stretch marks. It can be used for anti-aging. It gives your face such a lovely glow. You can also use it as an overnight treatment or for hair growth or to prevent from sunburns. After applying this, we'll leave our skin for at least 10 minutes to all the skincare to seep in your skin. You can see the glow on my face, how my skin radiates. So a fun fact or a information. So Shay Mitchells from Pretty Little Liars also use vitamin E, but she uses it in an ointment form. Now I'm using Elf Putty Primer on my nose and around my nose area because I have a little bit of pores around that area. So now I'm using a orange color corrector from Krylon palette. I am warming up the pan with the help of brush. and I'm applying it on my pigmented area, so I have quite prominent under eye circles, dark circles. So if you are on your fairer side, you can use peach to orange color corrector, but if you are on darker shades, skin shades, you should always use a red color corrector. That's what we professional makeup artists do. Dabbing the product with the help of my finger, then I'm using NYX concealer. This shade is same as my skin shade, so I'm using it to hide all my color corrector. Now I'm using Milani foundation in the shade 04 on all over my face. So here you can barely see any problems on my face, any pigmentation, any pimple mark on my face. So this is all about the clean makeup look, a clean face without any problems. Now I'm using NYX concealer to highlight my face. This is a shade or a two shade lighter on my skin. I am using it under my eyes, on my chin, on the bridge of my nose, and a little bit on my forehead. Then I'm using a translucent powder from RCMA for my under eyes or my highlighted area to all over my face. For the clean makeup look, we want a perfect base. That's why we are applying layers after layers. But when we do our makeup, we don't use that much product on our face on the daily basis. Then I'm using Morphe's micro brow pens. pencil. This type of brow tip is perfect for the bushy eyebrows, and the other side has a spoolie to blend your product. This is good for your thin strokes. I'm using the spoolie side to blend the product. You can quite see the difference. Now I'm using Morphe's translucent setting gel. Now for bronzing, I am using this contour palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm mixing both the shades. I'm using it on my cheekbones. And a little bit product on my forehead. And also on my jawline to hide my double chin. Then I'm using a big eyeshadow blending brush for my nose contouring. Then I'm taking the same brush and same product and applying it on my crease area to give my eyes a little bit of depth. This look doesn't need any kind of dramatic eye look or any dramatic eyeliner. So I'm using the simplest eye look for my eyes just to give my eyes a little bit of depth. Then I'm using the yellow and this pink shade from the same palette and applying the product on my eyelid or on my socket area. I am again using the yellow and pink shade to define my cheekbones. Then I'm using a black eyeshadow for my smoky liner or my shadow liner. I am using a angular brush for my eyeliner. Then I am using the mascara from Forever 52 is the Lash Excel mascara. We are not using any false light eyelashes today, so that's why I'm using a voluminous mascara. So now I'm using the Tarte Pro Glow face kit. I'm mixing all both the shades for my blush. So this palette blushes have shimmer in them, so it gives your face a little bit of glow. They are not chunky particles, they are just the good amount of shimmer. So I have a blush patch there, so I'm just using my blender with some compact, and now that patch is gone. Now I'm using MAC Fix to set my base. Then I'm using the same palette for highlighter. I'm applying highlighter on the usual places. I'm applying the highlighter on my cheekbones, on the bridge of my nose, on my nose, on my brow bones. Now I'm using a smaller brush for my inner corner highlighting. Now I'm using my lip shade from Recode. Now I'm completing this look with a little bit of gloss. I love glossy lips. This is by Rimmel London. So if you like this look, please do let me know in the comment section, and please subscribe to my channel and like the video, and let me know if you like your lips with gloss or without gloss, because I love gloss a lot. So this is how my look turned out to be. So stay happy, stay healthy. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.